everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a user can complete an incident report in Konnect. Please note, incident reports can only be completed in Konnect. They are at a view-only status in Kidsoft. To create an incident report, there are several ways you can do it. First of all, the staff member or user needs to sign in to Konnect, and they can either click on Start a New Incident Report on the dashboard. They can click on the plus icon on the bottom right hand corner and click on New Incident Report. They can click on the incident reports graph that displays on the dashboard, which indicates a number of incident reports in those specific statuses. So they can click on View Reports. That will give you the breakdown and list of the outstanding incident reports, and from this menu they can click on New Incident Report. On the left hand side with the menus, you can also see children. You have two options. You can click on Incident Reports and again click on New Incident Report, and from this screen you will need to select the child you wish to create that incident report for. If there is a list of children, you can certainly search for that child. And if you click on the View Children's menu and you click on View Profile, you can then click on Incident Reports and click New Incident Report. When clicking from this page, you do not need to select the child because you went through the individual child's profile. Any user that has access to Konnect will be able to create an incident report. Depending on the user role access, will determine if that user can complete the incident report in full for a guardian to complete that incident report, or whether they will need to get approval from a nominated supervisor. Our incident report template is from the ASECA website, so it lists all requirements. Anything with a red asterisk is a required field. When completing the what the actual injury is, we have listed all of the injuries and traumas again from the ASECA website, and you can click over to the medical conditions and illness, which also has the breakdown and list of those medical conditions. On the image on the left, to mark where the injury or illness, etc. is, you can simply click. You can do multiple clicks, it's unlimited, and this will then reference on the PDF for the incident report. You can add in photos, which will also be listed on the PDF. You can save the draft at any time. The incident report will remain in progress and is not deemed as completed or approved until that nominated supervisor has reviewed and approved the form. For any further information on how to complete an incident report in Konnect, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.